Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Meta Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can protect yourself from hackers, how you can get into anyone's Instagram account. Kindly follow up, but before that, kindly subscribe to my channel for all the updates about education hacks. You can as well check the description of the video on how to contact me for any help. You can send me a WhatsApp message, you can send me an email, then I'll be able to talk to you and help you with any of the Instagram problem you're having. But before that, this video is for education purpose. Don't try any illegal activity, and I have just shared these methods for protecting the Instagram account from these types of hacking attacks. Kindly don't use this video to hack into anyone. This video is only for education purposes. So I'll take you through into the steps. There are three steps that hackers use to get into anyone's Instagram account. That's the phishing, keylogging, and brutal attacks. They're not three steps, but these are the common steps used by hackers. So I'll take you one by one, and then you see how these guys are getting into your Instagram account, and then you can be able to protect yourself from hackers. Kindly subscribe to my channel. The first method is phishing method. Phishing is a fraudulent technique used by cybercriminals to deceive individuals into providing sensitive information such as username, password, credit card numbers, or messages, or creating websites that appear to be from reputable sources such as banks, social media platforms, or online services. They can create a message and they send it to you. Your account has been hacked, you say. So follow this link to retrieve your account. Those are types. They can send you messages from Facebook or Instagram. As you saw in today's topic, I'm only talking about Instagram. So they'll send you a message from Instagram. Your account, can they do this or this? You get? Those are the phishing links. These messages often contain urgent requests of enticing offers, prompting recipients to click on links or enter their information. The rest require urgent. Once the recipient clicks on the link or enters their data, the information is sent to the attacker, who can then use it for various malicious purposes, including identity theft information. The information is sent to you, and then they can easily, once you click onto it, they can easily hack into your account. And then these are the type of messages. Let me try to zoom this for you. These are the type of messages these guys can be sending to you guys. You can see, hey, someone tried to log into your account. If this wasn't you, please use this following code to confirm your identity. So they please sign in. You get me? They give you a code and they say sign in that blue thing here, this one. In the blue thing here, they can tell you sign in here. If you click on sign in here, then the hacker will get all the information about you. That's one of the messages these guys are using. And then the other one is something like this. Let me try to zoom. Hi, Ed Legacy. We got a request to reset your Instagram password. They sent you reset password. You click here to reset your password. So if you click here, that means you try to type in they get information about you, each and everything. Those are the phishing site links these guys are sending. So how can you protect yourself from this? So how can you protect yourself from this? Kind of follow up these methods and you'll be able to protect yourself from hackers. Yes, to protect yourself from phishing attacks, it's important to be cautious when clicking on links or providing personal information online. Kindly be cautious in case someone sends you a link. Verify the legitimacy of emails, messages, or websites by checking the sender's email address. Looking for spelling or grammatical errors. These guys always make errors. Spellings, what you can check, and someone can send a message. Your Instagram account has been hacked. Kind of follow this link, and then the email that's sending your message for Instagram support is from @gmail.com. Instagram can't use gmail.com. You get, kind of try to hold that. And then avoid providing sensitive information unless you are certain of the recipient's identity. Don't just provide your sensitive information unless you're so certain that this person, I know this person, okay? Then additionally, using security measures like two-factor authentication and keeping your software up to date can help prevent falling victim to phishing scams. One, this is the best and most solution of all. Use two-factor authentication. Attach your phone number, attach your email address. If you use this two-factor authentication, it's very hard to get into your account. Very hard. You see, always update your computer with software. Update the software, then you'll be blocking all this. Okay. Then I'll take you through the second method. And then besides that, like I said, besides that, there's hackers use some sites to get into your account. The Insta hack, the Gram hack. In my previous video, I've showed you how this hack works. Kindly, you can see it. These guys are using this to get into your car. You have to prevent yourself from being hacked. This Instagram hack. You just put your phone, your username, then we start doing the hack. As you can see, you see, yes, this is how it was. They do hack into people's accounts, like those videos. Kindly get rid of such. Okay, follow me. Subscribe to my channel. Then I'll take you to the second method. That's I'll do a keylogger. The keylogger method. Yes, with this keylogger hacking is a method used by criminals to capture keystrokes entered by users on a computer or mobile device. Keyloggers can be software-based or hardware-based, and they are designed to run simultaneously in the background without the user's knowledge. Software keyloggers are malicious programs that can be installed on a victim's device through various means, such as phishing emails, infected software downloads, or compromised websites. I've talked about the compromised websites. I've talked about the physics emails, and now I'm talking about your victim, your device. Someone can send you and software to download. If you download that software, it will pick up each and every information from your account, from your computer, and then it will send that to the hacker. Okay. Then keystrokes, and then once installed, the keylogger silently records every keystroke made by the user, including usernames, passwords, credit card numbers, and other sensitive information. This data is then sent to the attacker, who can use it for identity, safety, financial fraud, or unauthorized. And then there is hardware keyloggers. On the other hand, these are physical devices that are attached to the victim's computer or inserted between the keyboard and the computer. These devices intercept and record keystrokes as they are entered, and they capture that data can be retrieved by the attacker. Then someone can come on your laptop, and then he places the device. This device will be picking up each keylog you put, each keylog. It will pick up your password, it will pick up your key. It will pick up each and every information from your account. Can they get rid of that? Okay, how can you protect yourself from the keylogger? Just be cautious when downloading software or links or clicking in links, especially from unknown or trusted sources. Just be careful. Keep your operating system and security software up to date to protect against unknown vulnerabilities. Use anti-malware software to detect and remove keyloggers from your device. Avoid using public computers, public Wi-Fi, unsecured networks for sensitive activities like online banking or shopping. You get. Consider using virtual keyboards for entering sensitive information, or keyloggers may not be able to capture keystrokes from an on-screen keyboard. By staying vigilant and taking the precaution, you can help protect yourself from falling into victims of hacking. You get. Yes. And then I've already talked about the Insta hack, as you can see, the gram hack. They use the gram hack. Just put they do the keyloggers. Those are some of the methods these guys are using to protect, to get into your hands. Kindly don't forget, subscribe to my channel. I'll always be providing such videos on how to get yourself from hackers, on how each and every education about hacks. I do Instagram hacking, I do Facebook hacking, I do Snapchat, TikTok. So if you need any help, just send me a WhatsApp message, contact me, or send me an email. I'll leave the link, I'll leave the contact details in the description. Always follow up the description. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.